articles are not permitted. Please let go of your harness so it may be checked for you at this time. During your ride, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, and legs down and inside the car with your head back against the headrest.
Remember, here we go.
Don't look back as you brave the Black Forest. Boarding guests, please step carefully into the seats directly in front of you and hold the harness down over your legs. If you're not riding at this time, please take a step behind the line. The gates are now closing. As a reminder, loose articles are not permitted. Please let go of your harness so it may be checked for you at this time. During your ride, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, and legs down and inside the car with your head back against the headrest. Remember, don't look back as you brave the Black Forest. We're glad to see you have escaped to the forest. Please lift up on your safety harness and exit carefully to your left and enjoy the rest of your day at Busch Gardens. Auf Wiedersehen! As a reminder, loose articles are not permitted. Please let go of your harness so it may be checked for you. Boarding guests, please lift carefully your legs. If you're not riding at
Thanks a lot, man.
What kind of GoPros?
please take a step behind
Five.
the line. The gates are now closing.
What are you doing for YouTube?
Yeah. Yeah, check out my channel sometime.
YouTube.
Front seat coasters.
That's yours?
Yeah.
I watch you all the time.
Do you?
Yeah.
Good job, man.
Oh. I've seen that Verbolten. I've seen that everywhere.
Yep. I'm here today, man. You'll see the video on in a couple, probably next week sometime.
Nice.
As a reminder, these articles are not permitted. Please let go of your harness so it may be checked for you at this time.
Do you get here to this park very often?
During your
I live all the way down
ride,
in
please
New
remain seated.
Okay.
keeping
Yeah, I'm
your
up in
hands,
Pennsylvania,
arms,
so.
and legs
This
down
is-
and
I'm here
inside
for a
the car
week.
with your head
Nice.
back against the headrest.
We're gonna be here a couple times.
Sounds great, man.
Don't look back as
You like this
brave
coaster?
that
Never been on
force.
it.
Never?
Nope.
It's pretty cool. You'll like
Has
it.
a launch.
Yeah, inside the building down here.
I should be doing great. The only one I haven't been on is Apollo's Chariot yet.
I love that.
Griffin is amazing. Everything else is amazing.
Yep. Griffin's awesome. Apollo's Chariot's amazing.
Never been on. That's what I'm going on now.
All right, here we go. All right.
That was amazing.
All righty. Oh, yeah. All right, here we go.
That's amazing.
All right, big drop. Here we go, Yahtzee! All right,
That was amazing.
nice ride.
Drop the spear.
I know, especially if you don't know it's coming.
I didn't even know it was coming.
Have you ridden the front in this?
No.
Wait in line for that. It's a lot of fun. Lines are great today, so
Yeah, they are.
ride everything as much as you can.
I was actually just watching you before I came here.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice. That's
Are you
awesome.
the one that does it?
I am, yep. Well, my son does too. He helps me out.
That was fun. Whee! Now I'm probably gonna ride Apollo's Chariot.
What's your home park? Six Flags Great Adventure?
Yeah.
Nice.
That's what I was thinking.
Love that. I was there a couple weeks ago.
Please lift up on your safety harness and exit carefully to your left and enjoy the rest of your day.
Look for this
at
video
Busch
probably in 2 weeks.
Gardens.
Nice meeting you, bud.
Nice meeting you too.
That scared the crap out of me at the end.
Yeah, definitely leave comments.
Into the seats directly in front of you and pull the harness down over your leg.
That does it for today's adventure. If you're new here, please subscribe. Take it one step further and ring that notification bell. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big old like and a thumbs up. It lets me know you care. I'll see you in the next video. Ride on.